Hi and welcome to the Greenbird Project. This is your host Greenbird. Today we're going to be cooking again gluten-free, and what I have is a Betty Crocker gluten-free chocolate chip cookie mix. As you can see, all the ingredients that we're going to need are right there. It's very simple. You just need your cake mix, your cookie mix, a little bit of butter, and some vanilla. Now I choose to use this vanilla powder. It is 100% vanilla extracted and dehydrated. What it is it doesn't contain any gluten. A lot of times the liquid extracts that you'll find in the store are processed using alcohol. One of the ways you can make vanilla at home, if you don't know, is by taking a vanilla bean and cutting it, slicing it, soaking it in a little bit of vodka, and that will soon become vanilla. So you want to be careful if you're cooking gluten-free and using vanilla, that you either use a product that's definitely gluten-free or you use this vanilla powder. We have our stainless steel bowl there, and we're going to get going right away and start mixing up this cookie dough. One thing I did forget to mention is you're also going to need an egg for this. So as you can see here, I'm pouring my cookie dough into the bowl. Sorry for the poor camera work there. I'm holding the camera with one hand and pouring with the other. And then we're going to start mixing in some of our other ingredients. Next we're going to add the egg to the cookie mix. Next we're going to add the butter, which is softened to room temperature. Mine got a little bit softened beyond that. You want to try and avoid that if you can. And then of course we're going to add our vanilla or our vanilla powder extract, whichever you choose to use. Now that we've got all our ingredients in the bowl, we're going to take a fork and we're going to just incorporate everything by stirring the butter, the vanilla, the mix in there until you get a nice pasty dough substance that we can go ahead and put on the sheet and make our cookies. So you can see we've got the dough, the consistency that we want it, and we're just going to roll them up into little balls, probably 1 or 2 inches, doesn't really matter, and space them apart probably, I'd say 2 inches at least. You don't want to kind of eyeball it. Mine are going to be a little bit closer, but you're going to see when we're finished that my cookies are also kind of smashed together almost into one giant cookie. Doesn't matter because mine are going to be crumbled over ice cream anyway. But if you want to get that nice round cookie shape, you'll want to give them plenty of room and not overload the pan, and probably use 2 pans for one of these batches. Once you've loaded your pan, you're going to want to set the timer for 12 minutes and then place the cookie tray into an oven that's been preheated to 350. You may want to adjust the baking time or the temperature based on how your oven cooks. So when your cookies are finished, they're probably going to look something like this, only yours will probably be spaced a little further apart. But again, I'm just crushing mine over ice cream, so I'm not really too concerned with their appearance. I thank you for joining us here at the Greenbird Project, and I hope you've enjoyed this video.